Hey guys, today I'll be giving you a few Shopify tips for different settings and sections inside your one product Shopify store that you can customize. Let's get straight into this video. First up, I'm going to show you how to customize your website's main menu. The menu links you add can say a lot about your website's navigation. You'll want to carefully customize your main menu link so that people can easily find important pages and of course your product. On Shopify, you'll want to open up your themes page, and then you can go into customize your currently published theme. It will open up the theme editor where you can make any changes to your website. You'll notice at the top of your website, you may see a list of clickable menu link items. So that my header can have a minimal look, I've set the desktop menu type to drawer, which takes those menu links and organizes them into this pop-up. Another place on your website where you can add menu links would be on your website's footer. Footer menu links is also another place where customers can navigate your website and open up pages. You'll want to click on your website's header, and next to menu, you're gonna see this drop down where you can select to edit the menu. You're gonna click edit. This is where you'll be taken to the menu editing page where you can customize this menu. And the location of this page is also over here when you click on content and then when you click menus. So you can edit and customize your existing main menu or you can create a brand new one. I'm gonna click create menu and then I'm gonna name the menu. Under menu items, I'm gonna click add menu item. Then under link is where you can start inserting links to different pages inside your website. I think it's crucial to add a homepage link so that customers can quickly get back to your homepage from most of the other pages they were on. You can also retitle the label names. Then click the checkmark icon to officially apply that menu link. Then I'm gonna click add menu item again, and under link, I'm gonna add a product link. So you just wanna click products, then you can add a link to your product. Then I'm gonna click the checkmark icon. For one product stores, you wanna add a link to your product. That way, in case customers are on your contact page or your policies page, if they scroll up and see your menu, they can quickly get back to your product page. The next menu link that I'll be adding is gonna be a page link. If you've created an About Us page, a product care page, or any other page for your product, this is where you can begin adding those page links. So just click pages. And depending on your products, you may need different types of pages inside your website. If you sell a tech product, you may need a separate page mentioning all the features and the specs of the product. I'm gonna click add menu item again, and here I'll be adding a link to the blog page. So you can click blogs and then add a link to your default blog or any new blogs that you've created, or you can add links to specific blog posts that you've created. It's also really important to add a contact link where customers can contact you. So under link, you can select pages and then add a link straight to your contact page. Once you've customized your menu, you'll want to click the save icon to officially apply those changes. Then back inside your website theme editor, at the top of your website, you'll want to click on your header bar, then click on the main menu icon and you can click replace. This way you can apply that new main menu. This can really help out your website's navigation for your customers. And also when customers scroll throughout your website, you can also include strategic placements of your page link throughout your website as well. By the way, if you guys like this one product Shopify store, I do have this Shopify theme along with a line of other Shopify themes for in case you would like to save the time from creating and designing your website completely from scratch. Using a Shopify theme can help you to build your website and have a professional look and layout to display your different collections, your services, and more, without you having to spend a ton of time. If you're not too familiar with Shopify themes, the template will arrive in a zip file format, and when you open Shopify, then go to your homepage, you'll be able to upload that website theme straight into your store, and you can publish it and begin editing it and adding your products. Most of my Shopify templates are template bundles, so they do include an installation guide with instructions and screenshots to show you how to install the Shopify theme. I have a wide variety of Shopify templates for different types of business niches, including skincare, dropshipping, and even coaching businesses. My theme bundles also include additional templates like web banner templates, logo templates, and more. If you're looking to save the time from having to design and lay out your website from scratch, you can grab one of my Shopify themes from my website, which I will link in the description box below. The next tip is to include some strong CTAs on your website. You may need multiple call to actions on your website to encourage your customers to go ahead and order and purchase the product. Instead of the standard shop now call to actions, you can actually create some strong call to actions for your website. To even go in to customize your call to actions, you'll need to open up your website and click on the button labels that you see in your website, specifically the customizable ones. You should see a section that says first button label, and you may or may not see a section that says second button label. You can title these labels and then add links leading straight to the product page or other pages inside your website, like your contact page. Also for your button labels, you can link them to your social media if you'd like to redirect your customers straight over to any of your social media pages. Here I've opened up ChatGPT to give me some recommendations for some catchier call to actions that I can use instead of shop now. And they divided it into categories. So here we have the high impact call to actions. Here are also some call to actions that are more related to the product. And then here are some call to actions for conversion. The ones that are standing out to me would be this one, the get waterproof sound. And I also like the try it now and the yes, I want this. I'm gonna copy the text. And if you'd also like, you can have them generate call to actions that are longer or even shorter. And you can have your call to action text in all caps to make it more bold. Then on Shopify, when you clicked on the button label and the text boxes, this is where you can add in those call to action texts. Feel free to customize the text however you would like. And depending on the section you added, you may be able to customize the button style. So you might be able to apply the outline button style if this fits your website a little bit better, or you can keep your button labels in bold. And you can make your website buttons even more compelling. You want to click theme settings, then click buttons. This is where you can customize the display of your buttons. So you can adjust the border of the buttons. For example, you can apply a corner radius. This can make your buttons more rounded if you like that style. And you can also apply a shadow to your button labels. And feel free to customize your button labels to really fit your website. The next tip for your one product Shopify store, this would be to customize your cart pop-up settings. So since you're selling one type of product or one product in particular, you may not need the traditional or the typical cart pop-out setting. This is a setting you'll want to customize to fit your store and specifically to fit your product a little bit better. On Shopify, you'll want to open your theme settings section. Then you'll want to scroll down until you see this cart drop-down. This gives you some different cart settings that you can customize to fit your business better. So the cart type is set to pop-up notification. And what that means is that when a customer clicks to add your product to their cart, it's going to show this mini pop-up, which allows them to view the cart, to check out, or to just continue shopping your website. You can change this cart type setting to drawer. So here I'm going to apply the drawer setting. This way, when a customer goes to add the product to their cart, it's going to show this side panel pop out to give them an overview of what they just added to the cart. And then it's directly going to let them know where they can go ahead and check out. This is a really nice, clean display. Also, I know a lot of you guys are brand new to Shopify, and it can feel overwhelming trying to figure everything out. I created a Shopify beginners training to guide you step by step through the setup process. It walks you through navigating the dashboard, setting up payments, shipping and taxes, and also creating your products, pages, and menus. You'll also learn about launch prep, Shopify apps, and some store marketing methods. Plus, I included a 30-page digital planner to keep your store's backend organized so that you have everything you need in one place to launch your Shopify store. The link to the training is in the description box below. Then you can apply the page setting. That means when a customer adds the product to their cart, it's going to take that customer directly to the cart page where they can go ahead and check out. You'll really want to customize these settings to fit your product. For example, if you sell a product where you offer personalization and where customers can request different ways for you to personalize the product, then you don't just want a cart page pop out. You'll probably want to take your customers directly to the page so that they can add any cart notes or fill in any section on your cart page where they'll need to put their information about how they'd like you to customize the product. I've applied the pop-up notification setting. The reason why is because since this product has variants, and for example, a customer may be interested in getting these headphones in white and also in blue. I don't want them to add the product to their cart and then be directed straight over to the cart before they have enough time to add the product in the second or third color that they want. By setting it to the pop-up notification setting, when customers add this product to their cart, it's going to confirm that they've added it to their cart, but it's going to leave them on the product page in case they would like to select the product in another color and add that to their cart as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.